Knowing is knowing and doing is doing. This video is particular for those doctors who are believing in a growth, those who are believing making impact into the society through their expertise and healthcare. ये वीडियो बिल्कुल भी मत देखना अगर आप बिलीव कर रहे हो यू नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट मार्केटिंग यू आर डूइंग एवरीथिंग ग्रेट इन योर फील्ड promoting your clinic and hospital. So this video is not for you. This video is only and only for those doctors who believes to create an impact into the society. So today in this particular video we'll be talking about the 10 common mistakes doctors make to promote that particular clinic or hospital. So basically everybody knows everything, and that's the reason I had started with knowing is knowing and doing is doing. And I strongly believe knowledge without having a proper implementation of the same is having no knowledge at all. So knowing is knowing and doing is doing. That is what I strongly believe is. And today we'll be talking about the 10 most common mistakes doctors make during their marketing activities. So let's start with mistake number 1, ignoring the personal branding. अभी पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग की बातें आती है तो हमको वो फोटो दिखता है, वी जस्ट थिंक अबाउट दी photographs, good shirt and good suits and everything, a good photo shoot and everything. No, here we are making a mistake actually. Personal branding is not only about the photographs or a video you are creating, or maybe kind of the logo or kind of things you are creating for your own thing. It's all about creating your, or maybe the communicating your vision, your value system through your personally curated avatar, or maybe you can say a aura you create around this thing, which includes not only your physical outlook. It's about tone of a communication. It's about how you communicate with your patient, how you communicate to the general public, how you communicated in particular digital world, like what tone, what language, and how you meet people, and how you create an impact while making first meeting with any people. So obviously हम जब communications की बात करते हैं, पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग की बात करती है, तो ये सिर्फ लिमिटेड नहीं होता है डिजिटल प्रेजेंस में कि आपका इंस्टाग्राम अच्छा हो गया, यूट्यूब अच्छा हो गया, या फेसबुक, ये सारे जितने सोशल मीडिया चैनल्स है उसके ऊपर एक अच्छा सा फोटो डाल दिया, अच्छे से वीडियोस बना दिए विथ लॉट ऑफ इफेक्ट्स एंड ऑल द स्टफ. It's all about communicating your vision, your value system, that how you are creating or communicating your the personal things, the personal vision to the general public. So personal branding mein there are a lot of people who believes that nahi, personal branding is not that much important. Our clinic brand and a hospital brand is very much required. So let me clarify, because there are a lot of doctors do ask me that I do have my hospital, I do have my clinic, so do I need to focus on a personal branding, or should I focus on my clinic or a hospital branding? So I always tell that clinic and hospital brand has its own value, but at the same time people believes to the doctor, people believe और ट्रस्ट करते हैं डॉक्टर्स के ऊपर. सो डॉक्टर्स का पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट एक्चुअली. एंड टू क्रिएट दैट पर्टिकुलर द पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग, you really need to do a lot of activities around your personal branding, and you need to create an impact actually, noise around your personal branding. So this is what the mistake number 1, that people don't understand the value of a personal branding actually. So basically you need to avoid that thing, and you need to really start working on a personal branding. So mistake number 2, weak content marketing, or maybe say we talk about that the kind of communications we are creating, maybe the offline, online, or maybe the internal clinic communications kind of a thing. So we don't have a content. What we do is like this is whatever I'm telling you is coming through my experience actually. What we do is, in the morning we scroll the Instagram and we see that XYZ doctor or XYZ clinic or a hospital had started some new trend actually, a new kind of a reel or a posting things. We just copy paste the same thing, or maybe put some 10-20% इधर इधर का कुछ डाल के we'll create something new. But basically we are just copying the content actually. We just watch for the trend. We are not a trendsetters. We are like just following the trend. So overall जो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ कि mistake number 2 that weak content marketing is basically you really because you have a expertise, you have a knowledge. What I wanted to tell you is that use your own knowledge, use lot of tools, AI tools are available, and create your own content which is understandable to the general public. Never ever use that medical jargons into your content marketing. मेजोरिटी टाइम्स क्या होता है, डॉक्टर्स दे यूज अ लॉट ऑफ मेडिकल जार्गन्स जो आम जनता को, जनरल पब्लिक को नहीं समझ में आता है. सो ट्राई टू कन्वर्ट इनटू द लेमन लैंग्वेज, the way you communicate to the patient in your consulting room. आप किस तरीके से डॉक्टर्स आप समझाते हो पेशेंट को कि भाई देख तुझे ये हुआ है, these are the things you require, these are the diagnostic tests or treatment or surgery is required. The similar way, be a natural way में you need to communicate or create your content and put it on a various channels, offline, online, digital, कहाँ पर भी कर रहे हो, but try to use that the common language, the common dialects. The person every time is not required कि आपको इंग्लिश में ही वीडियो बनाना है, हिंदी में ही वीडियो बनाना है. Definitely you can go ahead with these rhythm language, the language your target crowd, the surrounding of people understand, the dialect your target crowd understand. And again, content builds the trust. आपकी जो कंटेंट है वो कंटेंट के थ्रू यू कैन क्रिएट योर ओन क्रेडिबिलिटी एंड यू कैन डेवलप ट्रस्ट अराउंड योर प्रैक्टिस. सो just try to create your own content. Just don't follow the trend, be a trendsetter, and create something unique which is you actually. Mistake number 3, no strong digital presence. Actually हमको लोग क्या करते हैं पता है, डिजिटल प्रेजेंस के अंदर हमको लगता है कि हमने गूगल में बिजनेस बना लिया, एक वेबसाइट बना लिया, इंस्टाग्राम के ऊपर एक प्रोफाइल बना दिया, फेसबुक पे प्रोफाइल बना दिया, लिंक्डइन पे तो शायद ही बनाते हो बिकॉज डॉक्टर्स को लगता है कि लिंक्डइन पे तो प्रोफाइल की जरूरत ही नहीं है. यूट्यूब पे एक वीडियो बना दिया और डाल दिया, यूट्यूब चैनल बना दिया. दिस इज नॉट द काइंड ऑफ डिजिटल प्रेजेंस यू आर क्रिएटिंग. सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट एवरी प्लेटफॉर्म हैज इज ओन यूनिक challenges and unique algorithms. So you really need to work very hard to develop the strong digital presence, which includes obviously the Google My Business, your local SEO, the all social media channels, and now we are talking about LLM. We are talking about the AI generated search engines. People are using ChatGPT to search the things. So you really need to work around the entire gimmicks of a digital presence, and every platform requires a different content altogether. So as I told you that mistake number 2, we really need to work on our content. The similar way to build the digital presence very strong, we really need to focus more on platform wise content and create the content digital presence on that. Apart from that, what is happening is like Google, obviously Google is in everybody's life. Patients keep checking the Google reviews. People keep checking the websites for your credibility and trust. So you really need to be very updated, like whatever the things is happening around your practice, around your hospital or a clinic, you really need to keep updating that particular channels also, that okay, this is the great thing you have done in your clinic or a hospital. Maybe the case study, the patient testimonials and all the stuff, you really need to keep updating that particular thing. Coming to the next, mistake number 4, ignoring the data and analytics. अभी लगता है यार मेडिकल एजुकेशन और ये सब में हम लोग डेटा वेटा की कहाँ बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग. Why we are talking about the data and the analytics? This is something which we don't know. But let me clarify. It's very easy basically. What I mean to say about the data and analytics means you have a patients who are coming to the consultations. You have a your maybe whatever the system you are using, HMIS और कोई भी तरीके का सिस्टम यूज करते होंगे, उसके अंदर पेशेंट का एज, नेम, जेंडर, लोकेशंस, मोबाइल नंबर, ईमेल आईडीज, ये सब डेफिनेटली आप कलेक्ट करते होंगे. Just give a thought that how many times you have gone back to your data and understand कि how many patients are coming back to you, how many times they have done the follow-up visits, how many times their relatives or their friend circle or their family member had visited you. कभी देखा है कभी कि कौन सी एरिया के अंदर से, कौन से जियोग्राफी के अंदर से, कौन से लोकेशंस के अंदर से, कौन से एज ग्रुप के लोग, कौन से जेंडर के लोग सबसे ज्यादा विजिट करते हैं आपकी क्लिनिक को? That's what I was talking about, that you really need to deep dive into your data and understand that what your data is saying. And once you'll understand that data will guide you how to do your marketing strategy. Apart from that, after the patient consultation get over, I am sure you must be getting kind of एक ट्रैक करते होंगे ना, कभी इसको ये सर्जरी करवाना है, इसको ये प्रोसीजर करवाना है, this is what the follow up they required. If you are using the HMIS nowadays, a lot of great HMIS are available which gives you the the automations also. मैं आगे बात करने वाला हूँ automations के बारे में, but उससे भी आप बहुत सारी चीजें कर सकते हो. वो डेटा को लेके भी you can create your funnel, you can remind the patients about the next follow-up, you can remind the patients about the medications, you can remind the patients about the post-operative care और pre-operative care, सर्जरी के पहले क्या करवाना है, सर्जरी के बाद क्या करना है. So all this data you really need to analyze and utilize in a proper way. So believe me, मैं बहुत सारे लोगों को बोलता हूँ कि like if you have one patient, you can make 1000 patient very easily. It's all about how you are creating that data set and how you are analyzing the data and creating the funnel to grab the opportunities actually. So this is all about data and analytics. Now coming to the next mistake number 5, not creating a brand ambassadors. ब्रांड एम्बेसडर्स के बारे में बहुत सारी बातें हमने सुनी हुई है, हम लोग जानते भी है यार, मीन्स बहुत सारे बड़े बड़े सेलिब्रिटीज है, दे एंडोर्स द ब्रांड, राइट? आपका ब्रांड एम्बेसडर कौन है? हु एंडोर्स यू? कभी सोचा है? हु टॉक अबाउट यू? थिंक. आप सोचोगे तो पता चलेगा. योर ओन स्टाफ, योर ओन पेशेंट्स, दे आर योर ब्रांड एम्बेसडर्स. They always go back to the home. They always go back to the their places and talk about you, that how you treated you. मीन्स आपने ट्रीटमेंट कैसे दिया उसके बारे में आपके पास्ट पेशेंट, आपके करंट पेशेंट्स, आपका स्टाफ, वही तो लोग जो है वो बाहर जाके बात करते हैं आपके बारे में. सो हैव यू ever think about it that how you can utilize this particular brand ambassadors to promoting your good things, promoting your services, promoting your personal brand? Unfortunately, knowing is knowing and doing is doing. Everybody knows that this is very good, that we really need to keep engaging our past patient. We really need to do a lot of engagement with our staff members. We really need to give a very good working culture to our staff members. That everybody knows, but how many of you really done that thing? So once you if you are focused in this particular thing, that if you are start utilizing your brand ambassadors, you will be taking your own people or a past patient very seriously. Believe me, they are like biggest asset, or maybe for your marketing, you can say that, right? So coming next, we'll be talking about the mistake number 6, skipping local SEO. लोकल SEO के बारे में हमको कुछ पता ही नहीं है, हम लोग स्किप ही मारते हैं. अगर ऐसा कुछ सोच रहे हो तो इट्स अ बिग मिस्टेक यू आर डूइंग. एक्चुअली लोकल SEO का मतलब क्या होता है? सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन. और लोकल मीन्स वेर एवर यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग, वॉट एवर द एरिया यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग, एंड आई एम श्योर यू मस्ट बी अवेयर दैट योर टारगेट एरिया और डेमोग्राफी वुड बी लिमिटेड. मीन्स ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई आप कोई पर्टिकुलर लोकेशंस पे आप क्लिनिक है या आपका हॉस्पिटल है तो पूरे वर्ल्ड से पेशेंट्स आपके पास आने वाले हैं. 99% पेशेंट्स विल बी कमिंग टू योर लोकल एरियाज, राइट? सो दैट लोकल एरिया पीपल का जो बिहेवियर है, लोकल का जो बिहेवियर है टू सर्च अबाउट यू, वेयर दे गो टू सर्च यू? गूगल, चैट जीपीटी, वेरियस अदर टूल्स, जस्ट डायल एंड ऑल द स्टफ. just check whether you are updating that particular thing, updating your profile, updating your testimonials, updating about your case studies in that particular channels, the digital channels. At the same time, there are local influencers. There are local influencers in terms of online and offline both. There are a lot of NGOs, associations who are into the social work and all. Are you available? Are your information available to those people readily? ये सिर्फ डिजिटल की बात नहीं हो रही है. लोकल एसईओ के अंदर एक तो डिजिटल तो होता ही होता है. एट द सेम टाइम यू नीड टू लेवरेज योर ऑफलाइन थिंग ऑल्सो. सो बिलीव मी, गूगल के अंदर बहुत सिंपल सी चीजें हैं. जस्ट गो टू सम यूट्यूब वीडियो दैट हाउ टू ऑप्टिमाइज गूगल माई बिजनेस और how to update my the website or a Google My Business or a Just Dial or whatever the listing site, and you will come to know that it's a very simple easy to do a kind of job to do. So never ever ignore the local SEO thing. It's very important. Mistake number 7, poor marketing investment. ये चीज हमको नहीं करनी है. मार्केटिंग में तो खर्चा बिल्कुल भी नहीं करना है. ये तो बहुत ही कॉस्टली होता है. Never ever people think that it's an investment. The way you had invested into the medical equipments, the way you had invested in your own study to upgrade your skills, upgrade your infrastructure, upgrade your equipments, the similar way marketing is also an investment, and people are just ignoring it. What they think is that okay, I had invested 50 lakhs, 1 crore into the clinic and hospital, and maybe I'll allot say 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees a month for a marketing activities, and I should get at least 5 lakhs rupees business out of that. That's what the thinking majority doctors think about it. And unfortunately or fortunately, you can say that it's a marketing gimmicks people are doing, because nowadays everybody is a marketing expert. Everybody knows the digital marketing. Everybody knows the social media marketing. So what is happening is people are offering their services at a very cheap rate. 999 मीन्स आप 2000 रुपये दो और 30 सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट ले लो. Come on, yeah, come on. We are talking about the marketing. It's a serious business. It's a serious business about the healthcare marketing. And you are a brand. You are a doctor. You are not just like the normal shopkeeper or a normal person who are selling their stuffs. You are really working on a healthcare. So you really need, whatever the communication you are creating, that communication should have a respect of it. And for that, you really need to invest into the marketing. You really need to understand what all kind of a marketing is good for you. That obviously once you'll do that data analysis or data collections of your existing marketing activities, then only you'll come to know that how many percentage of a revenue or percentage of a expected revenue you should invest into the marketing. But investing into the marketing is very much essential in this current era. Otherwise what will happen is you will just आप जब कैलकुलेट करते रहोगे कि हाँ मेरा इतना खर्चा है, इतना मैं ये कम करता हूँ, ये कम करता हूँ, एंड आपका जो कॉम्पिटिटर है, आपका जो दूसरा कोई डॉक्टर है, he'll be investing some great amount into it, investing great amount as well as hiring a good people into their team, and they are just succeeding. And फिर क्या होगा, एक साल के बाद आपको लगेगा अरे let me do this, and that time you will invest more money into it. So I think gradually, धीरे you should invest into the marketing sustainably, consistently, right? So ये बहुत important चीज है. Don't forget about this thing. Now we'll be talking about the mistake number 8, expecting quick fixes or quick returns. होता क्या है, हमको लगता है कि यार हमने पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग कर लिया, डेटा एनालिसिस कर लिया, हमने अच्छा CRM इन्वेस्ट कर लिया, HMIS कर दिया, हम लोगों ने मार्केटिंग की टीम भी रख ली, हम लोगों ने सोशल मीडिया एजेंसी भी रख ली, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एजेंसी रख ली, और एक्चुअली आई विल बी गेटिंग रिजल्ट वेरी क्विकली. अनफॉर्चुनेटली क्या है, मिस्टेक आपकी नहीं है, मिस्टेक हम जैसे लोगों की है. हम जैसे लोग यानी जो कम्युनिटी है, दोस्त हु आर क्रिएटिंग दिस हवा kind of bluff that you invest into this and will give you 10x. Come on, we are into the healthcare, is where nothing is predictable. You really need to understand that it's a systematic approach towards the marketing. It's a funneling basically. You need to start with the awareness and then it goes to the loyalty. So धीरे धीरे you need to create your brand and create your marketing plan in a way that धीरे धीरे वो रिजल्ट्स देता है. कभी भी अचानक से आज आप लोगों ने कुछ कैंपेन स्टार्ट कर दिया, आज आपने एडवर्टाइजमेंट दे दिया, आपने लिफलेट डाल दिया, आज मार्केटिंग वाले को डाल दिया और परसों से you'll get the lot of patients. Come on, this never be happen, because again patients believe into so many factors actually before coming to your clinic or a hospital. So never ever go into the trap called quick fix or quick returns kind of a thing. Slowly, gradually, consistency is the key into the healthcare marketing. And result long term में अगर आपको देखना है तो consistency is the key. Never ever expect the quick fixes. Quick fixes का मतलब है within a 1 month or a 2 months. At least you should give yourself your brand or marketing activities to make मैच्योरिटी, एक मैच्योरिटी लेवल पे जाए. धीरे धीरे वो आपको रिजल्ट देना चालू करेगा. इफ यू आर अ कंसिस्टेंसी एंड इफ यू आर ओरिजिनल इनटू योर प्लान, देन ओनली यू विल गेट द गुड रिजल्ट आउट ऑफ इट. मिस्टेक नंबर 9, not utilizing the latest technology, or maybe you can say a WhatsApp API integration or HMIS or CRM, and all new tools are coming up into the healthcare industry. आपको लगता है कि यार ये सब है ना बहुत ही खर्चीला है. दिस इज लाइक इट्स रिक्वायर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड इट्स अ वेरी उसके लिए एक बंदे को रखना पड़ेगा. यू नीड टू हायर समवन टू मैनेज ऑल द स्टफ. अगेन यू आर मेकिंग अ मिस्टेक्स, बिकॉज बिलीव मी, world is going into the different era altogether now, and every coming year we are observing lot of new changes coming into the healthcare, and we are the industry where lot of things is happening and people are utilizing AI like anything nowadays. So if you are not utilizing the latest technology to interact, engage with your patients or a future patients or a general masses, then you will be ignoring a big thing actually. So you really need to invest into the, ये तो मस्ट है. ये जो है ना, ये तो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. व्हाट्सएप बिजनेस, उसके अंदर API को इंटीग्रेट करो HMIS के साथ, CRM के साथ. पीपल आर मेकिंग अ कॉल. कई बार ऐसा हो जाता है कि आपके रिसेप्शनिस्ट या कॉल सेंटर उसको मिस कर जाते हैं. सो नाउ वी हैव अ टूल्स अवेलेबल which create the entire automations kind of a thing. If your call center is missing out something, AI or chat can trigger it and send us the message to the both the way. The same way, after the patients get consult through you, consultation होने के बाद, if you are going back to their home, there are kind of a automation is there, triggered based automation. You can do it in the WhatsApp, where you can curated मैसेज उनको भेज सकते हो कि जिनको जो चीज़ें रिक्वायर्ड है वैसा मैसेजेस आप भेज सकते हो. तो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. सो डू एक्सप्लोर द लॉट ऑफ टूल्स अवेलेबल फॉर अ WhatsApp API, HMIS and CRM. Do utilize for your clinic brand promotions or marketing. And last and most important, mistake number 10, not giving a proper training to your staff members. जब मैं ट्रेनिंग की बात कर रहा हूँ, so I am talking about the communication. I am talking about the communication training actually, because everybody knows that healthcare it's all about empathy, and communication is a key into the healthcare ecosystem, because this is the only industry where one human is treating another human, utilizing the latest technology, latest advantage and all the stuff, right? So just imagine कि आपकी क्लिनिक या हॉस्पिटल के ऊपर कोई एक बंदा है, कोई एक पेशेंट है. he is into the pain, he is into the stress, their relatives are into the stress, and they are just approaching your reception or maybe the main gate, and your staff member or your own people are not communicating or not handling their queries in an ideal way or a proper way, then the entire experience of your medical practices goes into the bins. People don't they expect kind of empathy towards them. They expect some kind of the trust, the care उनको लगना चाहिए कि दे आर कमिंग टू योर होम, लाइक यू नो, कि ये डॉक्टर के पास जाएंगे ना, डॉक्टर खाली एक बार कंधे पे हाथ रखेगा ना, मेरी यार बीमारी दूर हो जाएगी। वो रिसेप्शन पे जो स्माइलिंग फेस है, कंसर्निंग फेस है, जो हेल्पिंग फेस है, कि जो हेल्प करने के लिए रेडी है, दैट काइंड ऑफ पीपल will always loved by the patients or their relatives. And for that, we really need to invest into the training, particularly communication training to our staff members. And it should be done on a very regular basis, because at the same time you need to check also that how your own people, your own staff members are communicating with their patients, or patients के relative के साथ वो बात कैसे करते हैं, how they communicate certain things to them. And this is very much important into the marketing actually. I always say that it's like an internal marketing, and you need to invest a lot into this training and development for your own staff members. So what do you think? ये जो 10 marketing mistakes के बारे में हम लोगों ने बात करी, जो commonly usually people are doing it in their marketing activities. What do you think? आप कोई मिस्टेक करते हो? नहीं करते हो? Good. Think over it. And if you think that okay, you are doing some or you are missing some kind of activities, then do comment on this particular video, or maybe you can DM us, so at least we come to know that ये 10-15 मिनट की जो मेहनत है वो काम में आई, and you got some insightful information from this particular video. So keep watching. And if you like this particular video, आप भेज देना यार आपके कलीग्स को, right? See you soon. Bye bye.